Nambiar, political analyst who supports the BJP, and we have R.S. Pandey, former Petroleum Secretary, joining us now. PKT Nambiar, to you first. This daily fuel price hike is a daylight robbery. The government is robbing its citizens, has said a former finance minister, a former BJP finance minister.
Sarah, there is no doubt that the way this fuel price hike is happening is really, I won't call it like a robbery or anything because nobody is taking the money and going somewhere. But then it is really, really bad that every day you are going to a fuel station, you get to have an idea there is a new figure you have to pay every day. It's not at all acceptable. But who is responsible for it? The responsibility should not be lying only to the central government. In the about a month ago, the finance minister herself has said that the time has come for us to get back to the GST even for the fuel. But no state governments, including none of the Congress government or the opposition governments, were ready to go for it. To an extent, the Kerala finance minister said that we are in touch with all the other opposition ruled state governments, because we cannot accept GST for fuel. So I think there are double standards by the opposition parties. What we need is that today, other than a fuel economy, can we find some other method of generating revenue? Because one thing is very clear, that we want all the welfare measure. The government needs funds. Unless and until they don't have enough revenue, they will not be able to spend on welfare measures. So whether you want a vaccine, but the vaccine prices will come from the fuel or somewhere else, I think the time for the economists have to start coming up with an alternative revenue generation method. And this is absolutely killing. Every day you can't have a new figure when you go to a petrol station. But politicizing this particular stuff will be killing, because Congress is one of the primary reasons for the whole economic change which has taken place in this country. One thing I can tell you, today at least the money coming in is being spent on the people. There is zero corruption charges, unlike the UPA 1 and 2.
Let me first go point by point, the points you made. Let's give the tax people on their outcome, overall taxes. We're already paying taxes. Why are we paying more in tax for a product than the cost of the actual product? The taxes cost more than what fuel actually costs.
Sarah, it's very simple. It's high time. It's high time that the petroleum products needs to have the GST. There is no doubt and there is no question. And the finance minister of this country has already articulated very clearly. But why the opposition parties, a large number of them, whether it is a control Congress, where the Yashwant Sinha was just talking few minutes ago, where Sitaram Yechury was tweeting, but why his government in Kerala is not talking, why the Telangana government wanted to have the price to come down, but he is not ready to reduce. So there is a challenge. One thing you need to understand, in 2018, if I wanted to remind Gauravji, there was an excise duty cut. But today we are sitting in a different situation, wherein every state government to the central governments are looking for a large number of funds in order to curtail the overall deficit, which is because of the COVID, which happened 1.5 years. The large number of schemes which are basically meant for the former petroleum secretary was talking about the middle class and as well as the lower middle class and the poor, how they are getting the vaccine free, how they are getting the rations free, how they are getting the health facilities free. It's all coming from somewhere, sir. You are a secretary yourself. You know, I don't have to tell you how the economics works, but it is important for a country like us. Why the 50 years of ruling 60 years of ruling this country, Sarah,
Mr. Nambiar, I'm so sorry. Gaurav Vallabh will then point out that why is the PM's picture on these vaccine certificates if the public is paying for it, if we're paying for it? You are taxing us and then telling us
Sarah, only one humble question.
But I want to go first to Mr. Pandey. I think it's also another, it's a whole other debate. States are worried about their own curtailed independent power to raise tax revenue because of this whole GST system. But Mr.
Your country.
Thank you so much. This is the issue that affects each and every one of us. That's why we're focusing on this tonight on left, right and center. Will prices go down? Maybe not. I'm not sure we can bet on that. Can we at least hope that they won't go up?